Hello everyone, welcome to my low budget and no budget DIY class. I am Ms. Kanika and today we are going to do one craft activity that is related to pop-up sunshine card. So now let's start with the activity. Now let's see what all we need for this activity. We need a blue sheet, a yellow sheet, white sheet, pair of scissors, pencil, eraser and some sketch pens. That's it. So now let's start with the activity. Now let's start drawing one cloud. You can make any shape of cloud you want. We want 3 clouds for this card. Now next is your sun. For sun you need one bangle. Now keep your bangle properly in the center, hold it properly and take pencil and make a circle inside or outside, whatever you want, you can make it a circle. Now remove your bangle and draw at least 8 to 10 triangles for rays. Now as you can see, we have 3 clouds and 1 sun. So now take your scissors and children, please take help of your mama and papa for cutting, or if you want to learn how to cut, you can take a baby scissors for this activity. Children, now as you can see, we have the cutouts of clouds and sun. Now let's start by pasting sun first. Okay, so I'm gonna paste these rays. Take your Fevicol. One by one you will paste it. See, it will look something like this. Okay, so now again flip your sun. So I'm pasting these triangles at the back of the sun. See, it will look something like this. Okay, this is the back of the sun and this is the front part of the sun. I'm taking this blue sheet for the base of my card. Now take your A4 size blue sheet, fold it into half. We're gonna make this card land in a landscape shape. Okay, the card will open like this. Okay, this is the landscape and your card will open like this. Now again you will need your mama and papa's help for this pop-up thing. Okay, so now I'm going to draw one rectangle in the center. Now take your mama and papa's help for cutting this. Okay. Open your card like this and fold this part inside. Something like this. Now your pop-up thing is ready. So now let's start pasting your clouds. Okay, so I have 4 clouds with me. So I will paste it one by one with my Fevicol. Press it properly. Now take another cloud. let's start with our sun. Okay, so keep it aside, and now I will complete my sun. Okay, now I will draw 2 eyes and 1 smile. Now you can take googly eyes also for this activity, but because ma'am don't have googly eyes, so I will draw googly eyes or normal eyes with marker only. Okay, now I'm gonna make rosy cheeks. And your sun is ready. Okay, it will look something like this. Now take your Fevicol and now we will paste the sun on the lower part of this pop-up card. Okay, so now put some Fevicol over there and paste the base of the sun. Okay, now let's see how your card will look. Okay, so open your card like this and it will look something like this. Okay, see, close and open. Now you can write any message. See, now your card will look something like this. You are my sunshine. You can write anything. You can write any message for your mama, papa, or your friend, or your sister, or your brother, and it will look something like this. This is your sunshine pop-up card. Okay, so yes, we are done. I hope you like this activity. Thank you. Bye bye.